What's up, guys? This is Jake. Today we're taking a look at the Neewer Hexadecagon Softbox 35.4 inches. This one I've actually been using now for 3-4 years, somewhere in that area. This one specifically, you'll see this when we get to the side, is the black and gray one. I love this by Neewer. I've been a really big fan of it. I'm currently using, actually I'll go ahead and move over to the side here so you can see it. I'm actually using this specifically on the Goddix SL60W. Let me give you a quick look at how much this actually softens. So let me turn the light off in here. I'll turn this on and I'll point it over here so you guys can see it. Right, so this is kind of at its max. As I turn it down, you can see how much this is softening up. I do a lot of YouTube content with this. I do some other marketing content as well, and I have loved this light, or this softbox specifically. Now I will say, kind of the one knock on it. Come back over here. The one slight knock on it is the fact it can be a little difficult to set up, but I'll say this. I'm really bad at putting stuff together, and even though it took me a little while, it wasn't necessarily hard. It just took a little bit of time to get used to. Once you get used to the pattern of actually putting it all together, it's not going to be too tough, but it will take a little while to sit down and get used to it. But I promise if I can put it together, literally anyone can. But I've been a really big fan of it. Once you get it together, you probably don't want to take it apart a bunch, but once you get it together, you're going to love this as much as I have. If you're looking for a big softbox, I do suggest checking this one out.